Oh yeah, everyone, here we go, baby. Classic Dozer. Guys, again, we're here again, dude, on another scam app, Classic Dozer 2020, baby. Now, the app promises us many rewards, so much money to win. I'm gonna be swimming in cash. I cannot wait to win this real life money. Extremely easy. Guys, here we go. I'm just going to give you a spoiler straight off the bat. The app is a scam. That's it. I've just saved you a million hours of your life. You can thank me with a like and subscribe. The app is an absolute joke. It's one big fix. Okay? Do you know why? It will never pay you out. It will never ever pay you out, and it will spam you. Spam you with ads. Okay? You check out the reviews I'm going to be putting on this video of real life people. Not paid reviews from the middle of the freaking jungle or Antarctica, okay? Here we go. Redeem. To redeem tokens to get your PayPal money and to become a real-life millionaire, as the app, so to speak, advertises. $2 equals 9 million tokens. $10. No, $100. Sorry, that's just... They don't even care about anything else. $100 is... 100 real life dollars. There you go. So I need to get 100 of this cash up here. Oh, jackpot. I'm a millionaire. Start dancing, everyone. I'm getting shaken down here. I'm getting scammed. Woo. Okay. What is this? Is this an ad? What is this? Redeem. Is there a mini game in Classic Dozer 2020? Surely not. I think there is. Dude, I think this is all part of the app. Okay. A scam within a scam. Here we go. Spin. Hello? iPhone 11 Pro Puzzle 1. Okay. First piece of the puzzle for an iPhone 11. They're actually offering up real life rewards in the sense of like iPhones and stuff, dude. Why? Why does every scam app have to do the same thing? Seriously. Tap here. Okay. Done. Now what? Whoa. Put up a wall on both sides to stop the nickels from slipping away. Okay. Just gonna spam here so at least I can get some cash, hopefully. Hello? Isn't the wall meant to be up? Why are the nickels slipping over the side? What's the point of the wall? My coins are going straight over. 25, 25, 25. Okay, I got 25 nickels dropping down there. I'm on $2 almost. But I need to get to $100 to cash out. Now the big scam is, everyone, that apparently the green tokens, like the money, stops after a while, okay? So it becomes only those yellow tokens. Okay, I've just got an ad out of nowhere. It begins already. Here we go. It begins already, everyone. Seriously, dude? Get off my screen. I'm so sick of these apps, bro. I really am. Like, I truly am sick of these apps spamming us. Word smash. Alright, we've got word smash here. Alright, what's this? Is this an ad or an app? Is this part of the app? Scratch now? Am I playing Lucky Day or something? You've earned 5,000 coins. Okay. How did I end up on a Scratch app? What? What is going on? Dude, this is meant to be Classic Dozer 2020, and it's turned into a Scratch app. Unlock, watch advertisements. Are you serious, app? Come on, bro. How desperate are you to watch ads? Do you see why people think this is a scam, bro? Seriously. And that's not even the worst part I just saw then. I could have sworn I just saw in the cash out area then that legit it was like 777 equals $777 or something like that. Watch an ad. There we go. I have to watch an ad now to spin the wheel. Looks like after 2 spins of each of the mini games, or try, 777, isn't that? You're kidding me. I just got lucky 7. 3 sevens and it gave me 2 cents, or 20 cents. No. 5,000 coins. This is a joke, dude. I'm not watching an ad. No way. Screw you, app. Oh my god. You scummy developers, dude. Look at this person. How are all these apps not scams? How does Google allow these? No, I don't have to download anything, you freaking clown. Get off my screen. How does Google allow this on the marketplace still? I just don't get it, everyone. Like, where's the regulation? Google, do you even care, dude? Or are you just giving up, man, because you're getting some ad revenue? Anyway, where were we? So, yeah, match 3777 to claim $777 in real life. I'm sure. Oh, look, everyone. I got 300 nickels there. Okay, I'm going to put the walls up. I'm actually going to watch an advertisement, so I'll put the walls up here, okay? Okay, get off my screen, dude. I can't handle this. Anyway, so let's just divert from the soap opera that's on our screen of Plinko Master. Dude, I hate Plinko Master. I hate with a passion. This was one of the original apps why I got into busting scams in the first place, okay? This and Hyper Plinko. These apps are pathetic. I literally have a video that's almost 2 hours long exposing these apps, okay? It's an absolute joke. You can check it out on my channel, by the way. It's the Great Plinko Scam. There you go. The walls are up now, okay? So none of my coins should fall off this map. I should be rich right now. Legitimately, I should be rich right now, okay? Look at all those coins. Come on. Give me all the money. Hello? I'm not getting anything. I don't see one green coin. I don't see one green coin. I'm getting all the normal tokens, but no coins. Collect all fruits to win $1,000. I need to collect 36 fruit to win $1,000. How does anyone believe this is real? Guys, leave me a comment, please. Tell me what you think of this Lucky Dozer app. Do you think it's a scam or not? Am I being too mean on this? Surely I'm not being too mean, right? And look, you can actually use your tokens to unlock better backgrounds, but they go up by 500,000 each. What the hell? Why are they going up so much? Now it's going up by 2 each time. So we go from 1 million coins to 2 million coins to 3 million coins. For some reason, that's not 2 times. I give up. I just give up on these Dozer games, dude. These Dozer apps are the biggest scams possible. Let's shake it. Oh yeah, let's shake it. Whoa, shake, shake, shake. Got a fruit. 10 coins. Alright, here we go. We've got the slot machine at the top. I love the gambling element at the top, by the way. It's great. Okay, I got a fruit. Did nothing. It's slowly added to my... Oh, jackpot. Here we go, jackpot again. Here we go again, everyone. I'm not even happy I got the jackpot. Oh, finally. Finally, we have some coins, bro. Wait, is that the jackpot? It just gave me coins? Wait a minute. That was the jackpot? Shouldn't it have given me something? I had no coins in the field anyway, did I? I don't even know. Maybe it was empty when the jackpot went off. Hello? Okay, coins are dropping again, but... Slowly. Slowly. Hello? Drop the coin. What's this? 75, 75, 75. They've just stolen all these, like, slot machine, pokey, sound effects from other legitimate gambling apps, guys. I don't even know what's going on anymore, bro. Like, I'm just lost. Like, what is happening? I'm not getting any money. I'm just getting fake tokens. And I'm nowhere near the minimum cash out of 9 million tokens, bro. I'm on 16,000 tokens. Okay, so in the span of 8 minutes something, can someone do the maths here? In the span of 9 minutes, now I think it's about 9 minutes, so getting close to it, we've only gathered 16.5 thousand. Oh, there's a jackpot again. I don't know. Don't know, man. Over 1 million nickels. Oh my god. I hate this. Do you know what? I'm done. I hate looking at these idiots jumping around. I'm done. I'm freaking done here, dude. It's over. Lucky Dozer, you're off my my screen, or whatever you want to be called now. The app's called Lucky Dozer apparently on my phone, but on the App Store it's called Classic Dozer 2020. Done. Scam. Get off the Play Store, you scrubs. Alright everyone, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Stay away from Classic Dozer 2020. You'll win nothing. You'll win nothing. See you around, guys.